Welcome back to Days from the Lifestyle Vlog, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna create in this video here one of my one of my favorite childhood memories that we used to do back in Jamaica. So today, guys, me and my son, we're out here in the bush, in the wilderness, whatever you guys wanna call it. So what we're gonna do, guys, um we're gonna be cooking out here today and also do some fishing along with that, guys. So today, guys, what we're gonna do, as you guys can see, we have some fire sticks here, guys, right? A whole bunch of fire stick, right? So what we're gonna be doing with these fire stick here, guys, I have actually I have a breadfruit here, guys. Yeah, and I have a piece of yellow yam, right? And a little sweet potato here, guys. So today, guys, I'm gonna be roasting these on the fire over there today, guys, and this is what we're gonna be having for lunch after we get this wrapped up. Then we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. So the stick and stay, guys. All of this is coming up in this video, so watch and see, guys. All right, guys, check in back. So all right, guys, so we have the breadfruit here, guys. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make an X in the top of the breadfruit here, like this, like that, right? It's an X just like that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the heart of the breadfruit out, that the heat can actually soak through it, that it could roast faster, because we're just racing against time right here now, guys. So as you guys can see, that's all out. So now, guys, the breadfruit is ready to go on the fire here, guys. So yeah, and then we have this sweet potato here. Just gonna cut off the ends, right? And that's ready to go in also too, guys. Then we have the yellow yam here, guys. Cut off here. Cut off here. I'm gonna cut off this little piece right here, right? And here you guys have it. The yam is actually ready. So yep, that's what we're gonna be doing here. Let them roast. So stick and stay, guys, and when they're ready, then I will actually show you guys what they look like. All right, guys, stick and stay. Yes, guys, welcome back. So yes, guys, you guys see when I put these on the fire there earlier on. So yeah, so these are finished right now. The breadfruit is done. Yeah, sweet potato is done, and the yellow yam is done, guys. They're all done. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna actually take them off, and then I'm gonna get some more fire stick, and then I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff them prepared, and then I'm gonna get these scraped off and show you guys what we're gonna do with them. All right, guys, so the stick and stay, guys, stick and stay. All right. Yes, guys, welcome back to Days from the Lifestyle Vlog, guys. So yes, so as you guys can see, I have some onions and some tomato and some scotch bonnet pepper in here. Yep, so that's exactly, I got these prep from home, guys. Yeah, so I have some onions there, and tomato here, and scotch bonnet pepper I have here, and let these saute a little bit. Yeah, gonna saute this a little bit and let it do its thing, so let's watch and see what we're gonna do with this, guys. Watch and see, guys, watch and see. Yeah, this is the outdoor bush cooking like we used to do back in Jamaica, so I'm bringing this to Canada here with us. Me and my son is out here. Yeah, man, me and Neo is out here doing our thing. So yeah, all right, guys, the stick and stay, and when I'm gonna put the rest of the ingredients in here, then I will show you guys what it look like. All right. Yes guys, check in back guys, check in back, check in, you know. So yeah, this is where we are right here with some tomatoes, some onions, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So we are sauteing down this guys. Yeah, we're sauteing it down, you know. This is what we're doing out here. And then what I have here that I said I prep these, you know, I prep the onions and tomatoes and peppers from home. And right here we have some salt fish. Yeah, some salt codfish that I prep from home here and picked up and ready to go, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in here. Yeah. So yep, just like that, guys, just like that. So yep, I have this here. So yeah, we have these. Take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do with this now, I have a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of Maggi, you know, that I'm gonna put or sprinkle over it just to give it a little bit more flavor. You know, I'm not gonna. It's a little bit of salt still in the salt codfish still. You know, because I need it like that to eat with the roast yam. You know, and the sweet potato. So yeah. So this is actually what we're doing here. So yeah, man. So the stick and stay. I wanna we see what really are going with it. You know, this one here gonna be nice, guys. And then so me have a little bit of black pepper here and a little bit of Maggi. So what I'm gonna do is go right over it like that, guys. Just like that. Yeah, man. I'm gonna put a little bit more, just like that, guys. And then, and I'm gonna give him a stir. Yeah. You wanna come down here and show them a little bit of close up on it. Yeah. So yeah. So this is what I'm gonna be eating with the roast yam, guys. So yeah. Are we gonna be eating with the roast yam? So there you guys have it. Yeah, man. Here you guys have it right there. So I'm just gonna give this. There'll be another minute more. Just gonna give it a try here. Yep. Oh my. Scotch bonnet, guys. Scotch bonnet. Yeah. Really hot. But that is it, guys. That is it. All right, guys. So stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay. So this is what we're gonna have with the roast yam, guys. All right. Stick and stay. All right, guys. Check in back. Check in back, guys. So all right, guys. So we have the yellow yam here. So you guys can see how dark it is, right? And how black it is, you know, because it was burned in the fire, right? So what I'm gonna be doing, guys, I'm gonna be scraping it off, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be scraping all of these black off it, guys, right? So that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing with it. Scrape it all off, and after I scrape it off, then I will show you guys when we have it dished out and shared out and show you guys what it look like. All right, guys. So the stick and stay. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Days from the Lifestyle vlog that we're doing great over here. And remember, guys, always keep that notification bell on, that when we upload a video, then you guys will get notified. All right, guys. And most of all, again, too, subscribe to the video, guys, and give the video a hype and a like also. And leave your comment and tell me what you think about the Days from the Lifestyle vlog. Stick and stay, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back. So yeah, so the boat had landed, guys. So we have Neo right here. You can take this is for Neo right here. So we have the sweet potato, and we have the roast yam in there, guys. The saltfish, onion and tomato, guys. So all right, Neo, you wanna try it and let them know how it tastes? Yeah, how it tastes? It's good. Spicy or it's not too spicy? Spicy? Yeah, the scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, so yeah, man. So that is it, guys. Yeah, man, you can't have this without the scotch bonnet pepper in there, you know. So yes, guys, so that's what it look like right here, guys. So that's a sweet potato right over there. Now we have the yam there, you know. So yeah, I was gonna scrape it off, guys, but then near so that it doesn't like the burning part on it, so I just have to end up and peel it. But that's how I go, you know. So yeah, so there you guys have it here, guys. You know, I'm gonna try mine now, you know, and make you guys know what it tastes like. All right, guys. So the stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay, you know. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Check in back. Check in back. So yeah, now I'm gonna give it my taste test and give you guys my honest opinion, you know, of what this outdoor nature cooking, wildlife cooking, or whatever tastes like. As you guys can see, so we have some saltfish, that are known as codfish, right? And some tomato and onion and scotch bonnet pepper with a little bit of Maggi and a little bit of black pepper. And then we have the roast yam. We have some roast potato down there also too, and the roast yam. And we have some avocado over here, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna actually give it a try. And right here to top it off, guys, we have the actually red stripe Jamaican red stripe beer I'm gonna use and top it off, you know. And then afterwards, then we're gonna go fishing. So yeah, so this, let me give it a taste test, guys, and tell you guys what it tastes like, you know. So first, me are going at the sweet potato first. Yeah, man, sweet potato, big spoonful me I take, guys. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh my. Yes, guys. One thing I can say about this dish, guys, the smoky fire stick taste. Trust me, man, I miss this. I miss it so much. You know, so good, guys, so good. Piece of avocado here. Try a piece of the yellow yam. Mmm. Yeah, man. Really good, guys. Really good. I tell you, really good, guys. Man. More yam, more yam. Wow. Spicy too, guys. Really spicy. Scotch bonnet pepper. Man. How about it? The saltfish, the codfish, guys. Salt codfish. Have a little bit of, there's a little bit of salty taste in it. Not a whole bunch. It's not overpowered or anything like that. Just enough to eat the yam and the sweet potato also too. You know, it kind of, you know, compensate. You know, so yeah. So good, me I tell you, guys. So good. What I'm gonna do here, nice cool red stripe. Can't beat this, guys. Cannot beat this. Cannot beat this. So thank you guys again for watching, you know. Thank you guys again for watching. And please remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Ideas from the Lifestyle Vlog is doing great over here. You know. Please remember to give this video a like and give it a hype, guys. You know, and share it out, guys. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Blessing. Peace out, guys. Catch you in another one. Bye bye.